Donna. I'm an educator at the North Carolina Aquarium on Roanoke Island, and this is an activity in our Water, Water Everywhere series. We're going to test out this idea that water is sticky. To do this demonstration, you're going to want to have a glass of water. You're going to have a bottle with some water, so you can add some water to it. You're going to want some pennies, some pepper, and some paper clips, and some soap that you maybe have thinned down a little bit so you can drop some drops of soap into your glass. So what I'm going to ask you is that I'm going to have this glass full of water. Would you say it's pretty full? I'll tell you what, I'm going to add more to it until we can be really, really full. How about that? Is that pretty full? I should think so. But guess what? This is not as full as you might think. Remember, we talked about water being sticky. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drop pennies in here until we have like a little ridge of water. That is the surface tension being demonstrated. So I'm going to keep dropping. How many pennies do you think it's going to take before this water overflows? Oh yeah, and you're going to want to have a towel to pick up the wet. So we're going to keep just dropping pennies in until we feel that we've got that ridge of water. So see how the water is a little bit of a bulge? We're pretty full. So to further demonstrate this, I'm going to add some pepper to the surface. And you can see that it just floats on top. And that pepper, again, shows that surface tension that water is known for. Did you know you can even float a paper clip on water like this? Get yourself a paper clip, unfold it, so you have like a little lowering thing. Because if I just drop a paper clip in here, just to confirm that I'm not pretending about this, so I got me a paper clip, I can put that paper clip in and it falls in, right? Whoops. So I'm going to float me a paper clip. I'm going to put a paper clip and I'm going to lower it in there. And I can float a paper clip. So again, this is a good example of how the surface tension of water is very important. Whoops, there it goes. Okay. So what am I going to do with the soap? I'm going to sprinkle that pepper on there again. And notice what happens to that pepper when I drop the soap on the glass. It scooches it out of the way, doesn't it? And so that soap breaks the surface tension. Kind of neat, all right? So you can do this experiment at home with just some basic stuff that you've got around the house. See, it still keeps going. I thought we were pretty full. Oh, there we go. Now we've got the surface tension coming off the other sides. Well, that's it for this activity in our Water, Water Everywhere series. I hope you learned something new today, and I hope you'll tell somebody about it. See you next time.